I want to speak to the people who are doing everything right. You work hard and you show up. You save, you give your best, and still you're stuck. You're burned out. You're watching others succeed and wondering, what am I missing? I know that feeling all too well because I lived it. I spent 44 years in real estate, built a wonderful career, raised a family, did everything the system said would lead me to freedom. And yet, I was 70, in debt, with no way to retire. What I've learned since then has changed everything for me. The system was never broken. It was built this way to reward the few and drain the rest of us. So, how did I finally turn the corner? First, I stopped trading hours for dollars and started building income streams that ran even when I was doing other things and resting. Two, I joined a program where I found a high ticket offer that paid me 100% every time. Three, I used Just Bank for my automation and beacon to share my resources, links, and offers all in one place. No, it's not magic. Yes, it takes focus, but it's simple, it's repeatable, and it works. Even if you're starting late in life, doesn't matter. If you're tired of giving your all and getting nowhere, comment below yes, and I'll show you the exact tools I use and the process that helped me earn again with peace and purpose. It's not your fault. You're stuck. But it is your decision if you want to stay there.